Hello my loves, so you may have seen last week's video where I shared with you how to make recycled artsy journal page borders that are a perfect project to do when you only have little pieces of time. And I am really busy at the moment, so I'm doing the same thing in this week's video. I'm doing art journaling in 2-minute timed segments, and I learned a lot, to be honest. I've got a few tips for you that I'll share with you at the end of the video as to how to make arting in really tiny pieces of time really effective and worthwhile for you. My journal ready, got my tea ready, everything's ready for me to enjoy my desk. Except, yeah. Becoming a habit, isn't it, girl? So we'll see what we can do over here. Okay, so tip number 1 is probably to do 3 minutes, not 2, because I always felt like I wasn't actually getting into anything by the time the timer went off. I felt like I'd only just started thinking about the process. So my first tip is to give yourself that extra minute if you can, because it does make a big difference. The second tip is actually about thinking about the page or your piece of art or whatever it is you're creating when you're not actually on your desk. If you can, think ahead, as I did with a lot of these 2-minute pieces. You don't waste your active art time actually just thinking about it. You get on and do. Tip number 3 builds on that. If you know what you're going to do, get your stuff out ready, because you can easily spend 2 minutes just searching through your studio drawers for that one thing you want to use. Tip number 4 is to use quick hacks, such as tracing an image or using collage elements that already have images within them. And tip number 5 is to use embellishments already made, things that you have created, such as I used a faux wax seal, which I have a tutorial for. I used some scrap pieces of ribbon, I used gemstones, I used a stapler just to give a lot of texture, and it's just a very quick thing. So think about those things that you already have made or will give an impression very quickly for you on your page. My page ended up being 7 2-minute sections, so I made the page in under 15 minutes overall. And yeah, it's a good challenge to try if you are pushed for time or you are using the excuse that you don't have any time. Oh, got hiccups. It's doing my head in. So that's it from me this week, my love. I'm off to do the monthly challenge video for those of you in the monthly challenge group on my art community. June's monthly challenge is all about, well, I'll give you a little hint, it's about scrolls. I'm really looking forward to that challenge. And also we've got the Super Studio Spruce Up, which is a free event happening in June. For anybody that wants to create their idyllic studio, regardless of the amount of size you have, the time you have, money, supplies, whatever, we are going to make the best of what we've got throughout June in my free event. Should you wish to join, it's open, ready for you now. You'll get to see my studio's transformation. So I hope you all enjoy the rest of your May, and I'll see you guys in June. Much love.